Then there are waterways here. But these are all built up. San Jose Recoletos, Lidang Park, wag na ni siya. But this has been replaced during the American time na ako ni Colbert Diri sa Siningdana, kanang Imol. Yun kilat, there's a very big diameter, 2-meter diameter. This the height of that door. 2-meter diameter culvert made by the Americans to connect here. I think that was to replace this creek, no, during that time. Wag naman na, it's all covered up. But before it was an island. So this is the highest portion on in City Hall. It's about 3 meters above the water level. And then it slopes down to the back portion, which is the Parian Creek. Okay? And then tanawin mo nga to sa Eframos, taas mo na, manaog sa Ungkera, no? Diya ko Selim, manaog pa doon sa Skulon. Niya, kini-stack up ng Parian Creek. So what happens in this area? It becomes flooded. Kung kusog kay buwan, ang tubig nga rin padong dito, tubig sa Eframos, padong sa Panaog, cloud pag itong Parian Creek, kay nahitabo niya under the ay sa pier, sa Pier 2 sa Pier 1. No, Napiang River, kanang ilang port area. Nya, ibutangan pag-i-wall, kay ang kila din gusto ang mga garbage gikan sa Parian Creek. Di mo gawas dito sa ilang port area, so ilang ibutangan wall. Pag ato ni si Mato, kita siya ng wall, akot siya, why is there a wall covering the street? But until now, wag ito nabuhat, no? Because CPE is like an independent body and it's an authority. We cannot